It's getting hot out now in late May, and for me, that means one thing. I'm going to the beach. But if we want to get away from people and camp somewhere private and epic, we're going to have to take the hard way. My name's Sean, and this is the story till now. Brought to you in part by Epic Adventure Outfitters. We've made our way up the coast of British Columbia in search of an old abandoned summer camp. I've heard the trail is pretty rough.
This is without question one of the bumpiest Forest Service roads that I've driven on, trying to get somewhere. Holy.
The first route we attempted climbed quickly in elevation, and there was more snow than we expected at this time of year.
Stuck?
I think so.
Yeah?
Pretty much.
Braun got a little dug in, and I quickly deployed my new Freedom Recovery winch line to pull him out of the hole.
Deep snow up on that trail. I decided that wasn't a good idea. It's kind of off camber on a side of a cliff. Yeah, I made the call to turn around. Braun also realized he had no oil pressure. We checked his oil. There's almost no oil in his motor. Filling her up.
Hopefully.
Where's it leaking from?
Valve cover.
Valve cover.
More likely. It's a pain in the ass to change them. Gaskets.
Our first obstacle was this washed out section of road over an old log bridge. One wrong move here could end in a rollover, so we took it nice and slow. Most of the trail was pretty overgrown. Not a lot of traffic coming through here. At least I'm well beyond the point of worrying about scratches.
We're just getting into this trail, making our way towards the Bible camp, and so far some pretty good obstacles.
When the summer camp was in use, kids would be brought in from the water by barge. It's easy to see why when traveling this road.
That's my snorkel, Steve.
The trail became less of a road and more loose rock as we descended further towards the coast. The pace was slowing, but we were having a good time.
That dirt bike's going to be pretty vulnerable to that rock right there on the left.
I can keep an eye on it.
From here we could see the ocean, and we knew we were getting close.
I'll watch the bike.
Yeah, let's go get the rock.
You're good.
Yeah, that new rack's better. Oh, this is pretty gnarly still though.
So you can see where I'm standing right now. There used to be a dock connecting here for the camp. That's gone. There's not much left around here, but there is this amazing beach.
See, look.
Yeah, it's a little
There's still
sinky.
major evidence of them being here.
Yeah.
There used to be all these oil drums lined up on this bank right here because that's where they used to get filled or whatever.
I just want to clarify that we are cooking bacon over a fire next to the ocean on a sandy beach.
Oh yeah. Eat bacon.
Eating like kings.
We set up camp on this nice flat spot here. Beach was a little bit, well, the tide was coming in, so it was a no-go. But we're still pretty close to the ocean here. We're gonna head down there later, probably have a fire. Sun's about to set, so.
You're gonna launch it through this tree here?
Well, okay, that's the theory anyway. I don't know, but
It's the opening pitch of the season.
I don't know about that.
Celebrity pitcher Bron Halliday.
Oh, just missed it. The rope was short.
I can't believe you missed that.
Try it again.
Ridiculous.
Hey, the rope's still.
Oh!
See what happens.
We have rope.
Hold tight. Going now. Yep, that's the way. Woohoo! Get there, yeah!
It's day 2 morning, so you know what that means.
Bacon! Woo!
Right now, we're cooking pig in gourmet fashion for the ultimate overland meal on toast.
We're just getting camp all packed up, getting ready to head out.
As interesting as the trail had been on the way down here, it was going to be much more challenging on the way up. We knew there were some steep climbs ahead. They'd be even more difficult due to the terrain being mostly loose rock that slides out from under your tires. We were making quick progress on the climb. This V-shaped obstacle with a giant rock on one side and a tree on the other was one of the highlights of the trail for me. Believe me when I say it looks much larger in person.
Yeah, you got it.
I decided to take a harder side trail through this section, which was a little bit branchy. Crawled our way back up the side of the mountain, back over each obstacle, and plowing through moving boulders. This is one of the most fun trails I've driven with the Gladiator, and when we reached this final section, I knew we were almost home free. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. We have stickers and key tags on sale in our store at dirtyanddangerous.com if you'd like to help us keep doing these videos every week. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you next time.